Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to customize footers in Microsoft Word. Okay, so just like headers, you can add extra information to the bottom of your pages using footers. So to get started, the first thing you need to do is to go to the Insert tab and click Footer. This is Insert. Then this is Footer here. Click on Footer and then choose a style or click edit footer to type your own. Okay, so let's click on edit footer. For example, let's click on edit footer. Okay, so let's say we want the name of the author. Let's say you're an author for a particular book, let's say, and say you want your name to appear on the footer section of the book. You can just put your name, let's say author Grace, for example. You can see that is that, but let's customize it a little bit. So let's add some color to it. Okay, let's use some blue. Okay, let's make it bold. Then let's increase the font a little. Then let's make it right aligned. Okay, good. You can see author Grace is at the footer page of the book, or author Grace on all the pages of the book. You can see it, right? So it's very simple to customize your footer page, and also if you want a different footer on the first page, let's say you don't want author Grace to appear on the first page. Okay, let's say you don't want this to appear on the first page. All you need to do is to double tap or double click on the footer area. Then you click on different first page under head and footer. You click on different first page, and it won't, appear. Okay, so that is that on how to customize your footer. Okay, so I'm gonna see you in the next video. Like and subscribe for more simple word formatting. Thank you.